Hello, I'm back. Welcome to another episode of Around the World with Chef J. Sorry for the delay, but we're here today. Today we're visiting Egypt in the kitchen and we're making hummus. Did you know the Great Pyramid of Giza is over 481 feet tall? Let's get started. First we're gonna add the chickpeas. Then we're gonna add the tahini. Next we're gonna add the olive oil. Then we're gonna add the garlic, clove. And finally, we're gonna add the sea salt. Now that the ingredients are in the blender, we're gonna blend it on high. Did you know the pyramids of Giza were the first to be built? To help blend, we're gonna add a little bit of water. Now that we have a super creamy hummus, we're gonna place it in a serving bowl. Now that the hummus is in the bowl, we're gonna garnish with a little parsley and paprika. Did you know the most popular sport in Egypt is football, aka soccer? The hummus is done, and now for the best part, tasting time. This is good. That's it. Thank you for watching another episode of Around the World with Chef J. Before I forget, let me give a huge shout out to Chef Hightower of Hightower Catering. Thank you for this awesome chopping board. For more information on Chef Hightower, see the link down below. See you next time as we visit the state of Hawaii. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!